Hello everyone, once again welcome back to English Mania. As we promised in our last video that we will be back very soon. So once again we are here with the same topic, Indian culture versus Western culture. So we were left with some points. So in this video we are going to cover those points. So in front of me two boys are there, Vidit and Vihan. They were sharing their views about this topic. So once again I just want you to start by sharing your views about this topic.
As we were talking about rapist and nudity, and Vidit was saying that rapist is rapist, and he can rape any girl by wearing top and by wearing sari. So now I want to answer that. So as you said that rapist is rapist,
Please be
I would
louder.
like to say that suppose any thief is there and he is going to steal any diamond. Two diamonds are there. First is very shiny and colorful, but cost is same. And second diamond is there, but with no, we can say, efforts, but simple diamond.
You can give the example of diamond and jerkin.
What jerkin?
Jerkin is a kind of, we can say, stone like a diamond, but not the pure diamond.
Okay.
But that jerkin is cheaper and diamond is costly.
Okay.
Okay, so you can just give the example.
Yes.
Jerkin and diamond.
If I was saying that second diamond is very, we can say, simple, in simple color. So the thief would like to steal that colorful diamond, and he can only steal one diamond. It is the condition. So that definitely he will steal the diamond which is colorful. So it is the case. When rapist see two girls, first is wearing the sari and second is wearing the top. So he rapist to the rapist, I agree. He will rape both girls. He will try to rape both girls. But firstly, he will try to rape the girl by wearing that tops and skirts. So
How
that is
can
the
you
point.
say that?
I am not saying that the girl is more beautiful that the girl who is wearing sari. The girls are same. Means that shakal wakal sab same hai. Means that first girl's face resembles with second girl's face. I mean to say.
Okay.
Yes, and
So
that
both are same.
yes, we can say jodba behne hai wo.
Okay.
Firstly, rapist will try to rape the girl which have who is wearing that skirts and tops. So that is very different. And our parents don't allow us to wear short clothes when we are going in the streets alone. So that is the case.
Okay, so let me give the answer of your question. So, I again want to say that rapist is the rapist. Rapist want to rape the girl, and rapist can rape the girl to whom the rapist will see first. If the rapist will see the girl first who is wearing sari, then the rapist will definitely rape the girl who is fresh.
Okay, here we are not particularly talking about the rape and rapists. We were talking about Indian culture versus Western culture. So you have to share your views
So
about
firstly,
these two cultures.
I want to say something. So that's how I wanted to say that. So nudity is very good because it is all about the mentality of the
You said that nudity is very good.
people. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir, please just come to the second point.
So my second point is that prostitution and brothels, studios.
Okay.
Okay, please tell me what is brothel.
Brothel means kotha.
Okay. As you said that I want to talk about kotha. Yes?
No, the
Yes, brothel. You said that I want to talk.
Yes.
But brothels are bad for like all the cultures.
Yes, so I am also asking the same. Brothels are bad. So you are saying it as a disadvantage or as an advantage?
Yes, please
I am
share.
saying it as a point.
No,
It is a point.
bad point or good point? I
Yeah,
want to
please
say.
clarify this. It is a bad point or a good point?
It is.
I mean to say that if you will say that it is a bad point according to Indian culture, so you mean to say that according to Western culture, brothel is good.
Yes.
Yes, according to Western culture, brothels are good.
They are good. How? Please clarify it.
Because if you are living in a flat, suppose example I am giving that
Okay.
you live in second floor, on the third floor, a brothel is there. But if a Western culture, if a boy will be there, then he will be thinking that she is a prostitute, she is doing his work and let she do his work and I am doing my work. Let she do.
People
her
don't
work.
poke their
Not
nose
let
in
she
people.
let her do.
Yes, let her do.
You want to say people don't poke their nose,
And
right?
if anyone is living in with his family, then he will give only one answer that in the family my girls are living and which kind of impact the girls will get.
Okay.
Girls
And
or daughters?
Yes,
As you
daughter
said that
and
according
the
to-
mother.
according to Western culture, people, that brothel is common there, yes. And suppose you are living in a flat and in front of your flat, Suman Guest House, by the name of Suman Guest House, there is a brothel. Yes, so suppose the person from
Louder,
Indian culture,
please,
yes,
louder.
suppose the person from Indian culture, yes, will think that where am I? I should shift to any another area. Yes, and any Western culture person will be there, then he will think that she is doing her work and I will do my work. Okay, so according to you, this mentality is good or bad? Did people should call the police or not in that condition?
Firstly, I think according to me, for the boy it is fine because according to me in the brothers the girls are forced. Forcefully the girls have to come in the brothels.
Brothers.
Yes, brothels. So according to me it is bad.
But it is bad. So
but-
why are you counting this in the Western culture?
No, but
And
it is a
earlier-
point in Western
And
culture.
earlier, we can say 30 or 40 seconds before you said that according to boys it is good. So why did you say this?
No, but
You are a boy, so according to you it is good.
No, I am saying that if anyone is living alone, like he is doing part-time job. Suppose, take the example of myself. I am living in an apartment alone.
You
And
are lying.
No, example I am
Example,
saying that.
sorry.
I live with my family. So suppose I live alone in an apartment
Okay.
on the second floor.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have one room, and on the third floor, a very big brother is there. Then which kind of impact am I going to get?
You should tell this. You should answer this. Which impact you're gonna get?
So there is no kind of impact I am gonna
Why?
get
Why?
because I am a boy. I am a boy.
So
told
many
brothers.
questions. Being a human being, so many questions will strike your mind.
Firstly, you will not think that how are girls there and उनके ऊपर क्या बीत रही होगी. You will not think that, and you will as you said that as a boy I will not feel anything bad. So you will.
I have a question.
Okay.
I have a question. Suppose you live in an apartment
Okay.
and in the colony, two girls are raped and
Two girls are
being raped.
Oh.
Raped.
Okay.
They are being raped. वो rape हो रही हैं.
Okay, understood.
Understood?
Yeah, yeah.
And don't talk about here. I'm not talking about nagnata nudity. Suppose both the girls wore sari only. Okay. And two boys are there. And both the boys have one knife or gun. And they are saying that if you will do something, then we will kill you. Then will you like to save the girls?
Okay. Firstly,
Firstly, give me
I am in the apartment as you said that. So firstly, I will run in the apartment and I will call the police and I will also नजर रखूंगा उनके ऊपर.
I will keep
I will keep
eye on them.
eye on them. Yes, and when they will go and when they will planning to go out, then I will say that please come hurry. Whatever that.
Please
man
make
or-
haste and come
Yes.
fast.
Sir or ma'am, that police officer is there, I will say that please hurry up, they are going.
Okay.
And from bike or scooter they will come, so I will note the number of it. Yep.
Okay.
Good.
Like
In
this,
the-
you will help them, right?
Yes.
Okay.
In the quota, according to you, the Adyachar is being on the girl. Means you have the feeling for the girls. Okay, very good point. You have the feeling for the girls. Okay, it is good. But suppose, as I told you, suppose in mid of the market, as I told you, two girls are being raped, and the boy have a knife. Then, and I have a question. Okay, suppose you don't. I am putting a condition. Okay, yes. You are in front of the bottle. You should understand that the curtain is there, na?
Yes.
I am sitting there, and that curtain is the door of the bottle, the
Okay.
entrance of the
Yes.
bottle, for example. And suddenly you are calling the police in front of the bottle. Suddenly, he is saying that if you call the police, then I will kill you. Then will you like to call the police?
Okay, so I will not call the police because मैं अपने पैरों पे कुल्हाड़ी क्यों मारूंगा?
Then covertly you can call the police.
No,
I don't.
no. Firstly, I will go to my home and then I will call the police and I will say that I will tell the location. Suppose in that we can say suppose in Dapian Nagar that by the name of this and this girl उसने धमकी दी मुझे that if I will tell
Threatened you.
threatened you and if I will call you, so she will that beat me or she can kill me also, then I will call the police and then they will come and then they will see.
Okay, so,
After the crime,
Yes.
police will
so
come.
overall,
Right.
according to you, it is good or bad?
What?
Yes, prostitute.
Prostitute. According to me,
Means you can ask like, can prostitute be the part of our society? You wanna say this?
I have no problem from the prostitute. Yes, but if that prostitute is working in the brothel, so still I have no problem. But if brothel is there in front of my home, then I have the problem.
Okay, suppose a woman is there, okay?
Hmm.
I am putting a condition in front of you.
Hmm.
You live alone in your home.
Okay.
And a woman is there, she ran away from the brothel.
Okay.
And she's saying that please adopt me.
Adopt
Then will
you?
you adopt? Yes, and no, I want to live your no, it's not married. I want to live with you only for 2 days. Because after 2 days I will go to my home.
Please give me a shelter for 2 days.
Yes, shelter for not suppose 2 days at the night a woman come and you know that the woman is a prostitute.
Okay.
She ran away from the brothel. Okay, you even don't know did she run away or did she run away or not. You only know that she's a prostitute. Okay, understood?
Yes.
And she's saying that it is 12 o'clock. Can you please give me a shelter on your home?
Okay.
I want to stay to your home only for 1 night. I am ready to sleep on the floor even. Please give me some place in your home.
So will you help him?
Firstly, I will check the gun that she has the gun or knife or not.
Oh.
Suppose मारने तो नहीं है ये. And suppose she passed the test, she has nothing to kill me. Yes. And
She's helpless.
Yes.
Absolutely
so
bare.
then I will give her a room and then I will say that if you can sleep here and the water and food is there, you can eat and drink also, but you should not come out because it is night and I cannot trust you.
Okay, you know why?
Means you will not allow the girl to come inside the home.
No, I will allow the girl to sleep in the room, but I will say that at night you should not come out because it is night and it might be the case you can steal something and I
Okay.
cannot trust you, so you should be locked in a room.
No.
Okay.
Okay, so I want to say something.
Some other
But
point.
you don't know
Another
that.
point.
You know that only the girl is a
Okay.
prostitute. But you don't know that was she working under the compulsion or he was working only for his fun.
Okay.
No, even if she was working under any pressure, okay?
Then here my condition is that for him only a girl is there. She come to you, okay, comes to you.
Okay.
Just think that can you please give me a setup for 1 night only because it is 1 p.m. and I'm not able to go
Are you
anywhere.
asking the same
Yeah.
question? I want to ask you. Would you like to give her a shelter? Means the kind of girl who you don't know, but you know that she is from these kind of
Prostitute.
areas. Yeah. Would you like to give her a shelter? If I ask you, you should answer this question. Then we will answer.
And there is a condition also.
Yes,
No condition. Only she has ran away from that brothel. She knows she's a
She has
prostitute.
ran away from the bother.
But you don't know anything about her, like whether she's guilty or she's a victim or like she's absolutely pure or pious like that. So would you like still, but you know that she is ran away from that prostitution. Would you like to give her a shelter for a day?
Okay, so firstly, I will take her ID and whatever.
She has nothing, no ID. She's absolutely bare hands. Nothing is there.
From brothel, who will run by taking the ID?
Yeah, who runs by taking the
Does she
ID?
have any
And
kind
she-
of children? Child?
No,
Baby?
she's a girl.
Baby.
No.
Alone, she's alone.
Don't put the condition. Just simply say yes or no. Would you like to keep her or would you like to give her a shelter or not?
Answering yes and no only.
Yeah, just simply say yes or no.
Yes, I will give.
You see your face expression.
Yes, I will.
You yourself in a confusion. You are asking this question to
Yes,
us.
I will definitely give.
You will definitely give.
Yes,
So,
definitely.
you don't know anything about that girl, like where she has come from and what kind of background she's having, or whether she can be a thief, she can be a robber, she can be a murderer. Still, you will just
No,
give
but I will
her shelter.
firstly check. Does she have any kind of gun, and if the
How?
बदतमीजी
How would you see? Because poverty she would be having inside her clothes or anywhere else.
But I will be able to check.
You would check her.
Like police.
Like police, you would check her.
Yeah.
How do you check her?
Please let me check. Do you have any kind of weapon?
What is he answering?
Suppose I have a condition.
Yes.
How will you check? And suppose the girl is saying that I have nothing, and if you want, so you can check me. And in the manner she is speaking, that you can feel that she is guilty.
No, firstly, I will not eat feeling, I will not eat manner. Because it is the time of night and I'm not gonna see his manner.
Okay, how will you check? Tell me.
Okay.
I will check, I will check like police, the police.
How does police check?
See, the reality is that you will not give her a shelter.
Why will I not?
Because see your face and you yourself is confused.
No,
and
why
you,
will I not
you are
do
gonna,
it?
you have put lots of condition that first of all you will check her, you will just check her bag, and you will just ask some certain questions. Then you will give her shelter.
You
Means you
should
will.
think that it is the time of the night and the woman is alone and I don't know even the
Okay,
background of the woman.
even not at
How-
night. Even not at night. Even she comes during the day. Would you just give her shelter?
And
you
you live alone in the apartment.
Then without checking, I'm not gonna give him a shelter. Firstly, I have so many conditions, and if she's denying me, then I will clearly say that I'm not gonna give you shelter.
Suppose she said that, so you can check my bag, and you checked it, and there is nothing, only food and water is there. But now you have that doubt that either she is taking a gun or not. So how will you check? As you said that I will check like police. So police.
Actually, see. Let me speak.
Yes.
Here we're just talking about, as you raised this point, that the brothels are the part of Western culture and people don't mind, people just take it easily. But here in our country, India, people don't take it easily, right?
And you said that it is the problem of their mentality. So according to the conditions.
So now the question comes, like,
Are
do you consider them good or bad? Simply answer this question.
And
prostitute.
Then come to the next point.
And then if you are working under the compulsion, then he correct.
She's correct.
Then if she was working under the compulsion.
Okay, so but can they be the part of the society where people live, means they're absolutely normal and we can say that honored people live? Can they be the part of that kind of society?
Yes, she can be the part of the society because she was doing this work under the compulsion.
Then I have a condition.
But
No,
please let me give that. But here I have a condition. But if she was doing this work for her fun, she was like, she was selling the girl, she was the owner of the prostitute, brothel. Then she supposed to offer brothel, then I will not allow because she was doing this work for her fun. But if the girl was doing that work under the compulsion, the girl had to do that work, then it is good. Absolutely fine. She was told it.
I have put a condition. As you said that if the girl is doing the work under compulsion, so I will allow her to live in my home for a night.
No, I did not say that I will allow her to live in my home. I said that it is good she can be the part of the society.
No, earlier when I asked the question, will you allow her? You said that yes.
Listen, you're coming to the point. Actually, they can do their work because it is also we can say part of their life, right? And we can say it is a part of our society also. That can be from India, from any Western country. Okay, but now the question comes: can they be the part of the normal people society? Because don't talk about the forcefully work. Actually, why I am asking this question, because suppose a brother is there in front of your home. Okay, you are leading a happy life with your family. Okay, means you are having a wife, 2 to 3 children are also there. Okay, you are leading a happy life. Okay, you are having small kids of 5 to 10 years of your age. Okay, and when they see these kind of things happening in front of their eyes, your kids. Okay, so obviously they will raise the questions. They will ask you that, father, what all is happening in front of our home? So what would you say to them and how would you make them understand about this culture?
No, firstly, please let me give.
Answer my question. Will you be able to make your children understand about it?
Brother.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because because obviously being a young, because being the children, they will raise hell lot of questions, thousands of questions, will strike their mind, and they will ask you what all is happening in front of their eyes.
So firstly, I will say that it is a party because
You will make them understand like this by just keeping the smile.
He will say that it is a party. Then they will say that some of them they said that some of them they say that the father.
He should answer.
yes, I will not make. I will say that the inside who is working, she's a businessman and
Businessmen, then they will ask you what kind of business they are doing. Then
I will say that she's doing the business of selling or something, and they are making the plan. I will not allow them to go inside the brothel because they did not go inside the brothel.
With it, suppose I have a condition. Suppose you have 2 daughters.
Not like a party.
Suppose that 2 daughters and 1 son you have. Okay, first daughter is of 12 years old and
Yes.
second daughter is of 6 years old and last son is of 4 years old.
Okay.
And that second daughter of 6 years old, yes, that tries to go in the brothel.
Okay.
Okay, and suppose your son is there by the name of सूरज, yes,
Okay.
and वो जैसे कि वो तुम्हारा बहुत प्यारा है और वो तुम्हारी आज्ञा का बहुत अच्छे से पालन करता है.
Okay.
And suddenly when he sees her daughter, not her daughter, her sister by going in the brothel, then you think that
You also went in the brothel.
no, then he thinks that my father denied. So why is he going? Then he will go in front of the brother, and then he sees that did she go or not, and he sees that my sister went. I hope you all guys got a lot of fun by listening our conversation, and thank you to listen us. And like this, we will make many videos, and you will get a lot of fun by listening them. So subscribe this channel and like this video and share with your friends, your father, mother, whatever you know. Yeah, and thank you to listening us.
okay friends, that was all. Have a nice day. Bye.